we are going to talk about hot men today. How cool is that? Okay, so this time we are doing
7 sexiest fictional characters.
and read all the books that we mentioned because that's exactly what you need to be, to get a girl.
These are the tips for you guys.
For girls, just enjoy. Okay.
We quite believe that you've read those books, but if you haven't,
You need to. Because you need to know what an ideal man is. We give you actually a list of the most perfect ideal man.
Patrick from The Perks of Being a Wallflower.
I don't know, this
Isn't he
is
sexy?
Patrick.
Isn't he sexy?
And he's even more sexy when you read it. Okay.
He's naughty. He's witty. He is sexy.
He's
If
gay.
that counts. He's gay.
He kisses well.
You asked for Will. I'll let you know as
and there's
soon as I kiss
something-
him. I want a milkshake so bad right now.
That sounds so dirty. He's like, he's like the perfect. He's gay. He's not interested in you. He's a good brother. He's a good friend. He's there for
perfect in his
Sam.
own
He's
way.
there for Charlie.
He's the most amazing pranks and he's so lovable.
And he comes on the page and you cannot help but smile.
Ah,
Because he does that. There are some people who just makes you smile. Okay. Yeah, okay. I don't think so. You like that.
Second character is Darcy from Pride and Prejudice.
How beautiful is this book? And you'll know it's even more beautiful when you read it and you'll get Mr. Darcy. Everything about Mr. Darcy is sexy. First, he's rich.
Rich is not always what we're looking for,
But it helps. Yeah, he does. He's handsome. And then he's mysterious.
I love
How fucking
mysterious
crazy is
guys.
that? You know what's sexy about him? He's always rude with Elizabeth. And he looks at her like he can eat her alive.
How is that sexy?
No, it is sexy.
How?
You'll know if you read it, and if you have read it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Mr. Darcy is the sexiness we all want. Abhi's case fast because it's Mr. Darcy, and you feel like Mr. Darcy is standing right here in front of you, and even the smell of him, even though I've just read about him, is sexy. You know what I mean, right?
The third, The Notebook.
You have all watched The Notebook, and you all must have.
haven't
Come
you?
on, it's Nicholas Sparks.
Noah from Notebook is the right amount of sexy.
What is the right amount of sexy?
See, when you tell a guy, leave me alone, but you don't want him to leave you alone, but he actually does, then you hate him. But Noah knows when to leave you alone and to not. Noah knows when to leave Ali alone. Well, Ali really wants to be alone. When she does not, he does not her side. Isn't that the right amount of sexy?
That is the
He
perfect
hangs
amount of
on to
sexy.
her.
Yes, he hangs on to her. Yeah, that's the best
Yeah.
part. That's what a guy needs to be.
Yeah.
And then a nice body and blonde hair.
Yeah, a good body always helps.
Yeah.
The fourth.
Sexiest character. And this time it's not just sexy. It's intelligent, with a good body, with maturity. No, not just some random kind of sexy, but a very superior kind of sexy.
Okay. Dan Brown, Inferno. And the character is
Robert Langdon.
Robert Langdon.
I thought you were saying Dan Brown is sexy. I mean, Dan Brown is sexy, but the character he created,
much more
Robert
sexy.
Langdon. Okay, for starters, he's a professor at Harvard University of History and Arts.
That is sexy.
Second, he's a good swimmer. Third,
He must have a great body.
Oh, we have no idea. Third, he wears a Mickey Mouse watch.
Oh, that's cute.
Hey, I know. And fourth, the most important, he knows the answer to everything. Like, everything. If you know what I mean.
Is he Bible?
Not Bible, but he knows everything.
Okay.
Like, everything.
That sounds like Bible.
I was saying it in a more sexy way, and you put it in a more religious way. Like, he
Aren't
knows
we Indians?
everything.
Aren't we Indians?
Number 5th. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, is that 50 Shades again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, how can we complete a list of sexiness without including Christian Grey? Do we need to even say anything about Christian Grey?
We've already said enough.
Okay,
People must be tired of.
let's give some points.
He is sexy
He's
in
got
his
a good
own way.
body.
He's dominating, which we do not like, but yeah, okay.
He has grey eyes.
We'd work with that.
He got his girlfriend and Audie.
And the best part, he's broken.
Oh, he has this sad past and you want to heal him, especially when he has that kind of body. You definitely want to heal him.
Yep.
And we all know he's good in sex. Like, too good.
Keeping the deeper version aside, he is sexy. Okay?
Christian Grey
Sexy.
definitely is number 5 on our
Yeah.
sexiest fictional man.
So, the next.
So there's already so much sexiness in this video. I'm blushing already. Sexiest male characters ever written. Nice it by the cover. Because I have a vintage edition of this. Jane Eyre.
Aksha, stop it, okay?
It's a vintage edition.
Stop it.
It's a vintage edition. You
Nobody
will never know.
fucking cares.
Everybody cares. Mr. Rochester is everything sexy. And he's not sexy in a regular classic way, like good body or good looks, you know, like the former list.
Yeah.
He is sexy in the most
Intellectually?
intellectually, and he's old. He's not good looking. He hasn't got a good body. But you know, he's sexy when he speaks. He's sexy the way he treats Jane Eyre. He's sexy in everything he is, like inside and out. He's sexy the way he stands. He's sexy the way he sits. He's sexy the way he holds her hand.
Ah.
He's sexy when he asks her to marry her. And even though he gets blind in the end, and you know all that, and he's very messy. He's old, but he is sexy. Like Mr. Rochester is like the dream man.
The dream man. These were the dream guys.
Exactly.
He's the dream man.
Yeah, like
But
Mr.
that's what
Rochester.
makes him different.
Mr. Rochester is all I want.
7th. The
Huh.
very last.
And it's like our last. If you know there are so many sexiest male
Yeah.
characters, but you know this is our list. It is from the most famous fictional book ever written, Harry Potter, and the character is.
Draco Malfoy.
And how sexy is the name? Malfoy.
What's in a name, Samixa? What's in a name?
We're not quoting
Draco
Shakespeare,
Malfoy.
but it's Draco Malfoy. Okay, so what is sexy about Draco Malfoy?
Blonde hair.
Cute face.
He's in the Harry Potter series.
And you know the way he says, my father will hear about this. And what actually, apart from all this, is sexy about Draco Malfoy is the battle he fights within in the series, in the books. As many of you might have read the book, and all of you have seen the movies.
All the Harry Potter fans out there, raise your hands.
Draco
and say,
Malfoy is
hey.
sexy, and the fact that he's played by Tom Felton in the movies makes him even more sexier. But you know, the sadness that the moroseness this character carries inside him when he gets old, and he's supposed to be on the evil side, but you know, deep down inside, he is not on the evil side. He's a good person, and I also think he has a crush on Harry Potter.
That is so sexy.
Yeah, Draco Malfoy is definitely one of the most sexiest characters ever written. Thank you, J.K. Rowling, for this. That's our list.
If you know any sexiest male characters
And I know there's
that
so many.
we aren't aware of, we haven't yet
Huh?
discovered, please let us know in the comment section down below.
And never forget to subscribe.
Do not forget to subscribe. You need to know when we upload. We need to know how much you like
And
us.
if you like this video, give it a
Give
thumbs
this
up.
video a thumbs up if you agree with any of the list, with any of the contents in the list. Okay?
And you can watch our previous video, which was a failed whisper challenge. Apparently, like I don't even know why we did that, but this girl drives me so fucking crazy. So you can check that one out. You can also check out our previous videos.
The
and
links will be in the description down below.
you are gonna like it.
We'll see you next time. Bye bye.